Hey Drawisers, today we're going to draw a COVID-19 picture that's going to consist of hand sanitizers. So welcome to Drawise, your connection to creativity, and let's begin. So first I'm just going to draw the top and write COVID-19, then I'm going to write before and after. Go, and now we're all set up to start the drawing. Okay, the first drawing we're going to do is of a small hand sanitizer. You know, before this whole thing started, I'm sure nobody really had anything in the form of hand sanitizers. If you did, it was something small, just like I'm going to draw here. Trapeze shape, and most likely it was sleepy, if you know what I mean. Just like this. Give it a label for the bottle, and we'll give it the mark, a low mark where the hand sanitizer was. Now some cobwebs, because just to emphasize nobody was using it before. Just a few lines like this. With the cobweb effect. And even a little spider we can add just by drawing a line down, a little circle, and his legs, just to emphasize how sleepy this whole situation really was before. Now we can do the after, and obviously we'll color it later. Well, after COVID-19, I believe everybody was looking for the biggest hand sanitizer there was. So that's what we're doing right now. We're drawing a huge bottle of hand sanitizer. It's just a few rectangles. Very easy to do if you follow my lead. As symmetrical as possible. Okay, now obviously it's filled to the rim. We'll do the label just like this. Nothing elaborate, just a rectangular label. And now we have room to draw the face inside of it. Just going to get it fine the way I want it. Now we can draw the face. This face will be a happier, content face, if you will. Smile. Yeah, this guy's happy about himself. We'll add some cheeks. Also to our sleepy fellow on this side. Still deserves attention. Now we can start coloring some stuff in. Actually, I'll add some detail this to the eyes. Just 2 circles. Looks more alive this way. There's more of a stare, I guess. And I'll color in the mouth portion black. Maybe I'll add a little tongue. Why not? See if we like that. Yeah, why not? Let's give it a little line in the middle. And color it red. Got a little tongue. He's a happy fellow. And we can color in the hand sanitizer itself. Blue works. I mean, they come in all different sorts of colors. Give this one blue. Give the other side green. Actually, I think what I'm going to do afterwards, after I color this in, is I'm going to go over the outer stroke with a thicker marker. I want to make it appear bigger and more defined. So I'm just going to finish this up. Shouldn't take long, just a second. Get everything. And I'd love to hear your suggestions for my next drawing. It could be on any topic. I know COVID-19 is big, so a lot of the drawings have been around the subject, but seriously, anything goes. Finish this up. I'd love to hear your experiences during this pandemic. You can write in the comments below anything you feel. It hasn't been easy for everybody, but you know, drawing is a nice way to let out some of the emotions. Especially when you're quarantined indoors. It's a good way to escape. Okay, just about done here. Now I think I'm just going to go over the outer strokes to define everything a little more. So let me take a thicker marker. Let's see. I like the way it comes out. I prefer it this way. Even for this guy, maybe. Let me see if it's going to work. Sleepy fellow. Yeah. Let me try to see if this part also. Yeah, if you have the option to make things more defined, I think it's the way to go. Okay, so here we have it. If you liked it, please please subscribe, share, like, anything like that. And again, any suggestion you have for the next topic, I'd love to hear. Till then, bye.